Hello guys, it is Kimber4277, and in case you didn't know, Kimber is actually my real name. So yeah, I'm named after a gun. Who cares? And I'm gonna be playing on my world. Yeah, my cat's outside. Yeah, nobody likes that. Yeah. That's just weird. Sit and then. Okay. Jesus. You could wander outside. I don't know why I'm letting you want. Whoa. You wanna get to her? Gotta get through me first. Stupid. No, I think I would be free now. I want to be free. Come on, Daisy. I'm on top of the world. Hey, why don't we go there? That would be fun. We could go plant some stuff there.
That sounds like a celebration. What happened?
Actually, Mr. Fitz happened.
What do you mean?
He talked to Hackett. Next thing I know, Hackett's telling Connor and his dad that if the police have no evidence or witnesses, he's got no reason to respond. I kind of wish I had done it. Or done something.
Come on, Mike, that's not you.
Maybe it should be. If anything like this happens to you again,
Let's go. My little one. We will arise. Look, there's a witch. Right. Kill it. You can get valuable things from witches. Where? Go little witches. Good puppy, good. Why don't we go get these? I don't know why I'm acting bad. Oh, that's a dead bush. Whoa. Come on, puppy.
All her fault.
What's your sock?
All her fault.
Remember where's your sock?
All.
I don't know.
So it's just gonna be me and you skating.
Okay. What about Kaylin?
Kaylee.
Kaylee, yeah. I forgot. What about her?
Derry didn't think it was a good idea.
Why not? Why not?
Because she lives out in Lumberton and her dad. I don't know. Do you really want her to go that bad?
Yeah. It would be good if I had a friend that I knew.
What about me?
You're not a friend,
I
and
thought it was gonna be just me and you time. Put your phone up. Put your phone up. I'm not competing with your phone. I'm serious. You're not gonna be on your phone.
but not.
Because, Kimber Rain, I want you to spend time with your mother. Now get
Okay,
off the
this
phone.
is the last video.
3,
Okay,
2,
bye. I'm gonna